Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to plot a cat plot in Power BI using the Python visual. So let's start. So I've got this file open here with me and it's got data in the table which shows the sales amount by calendar year. And I'll upload this file to GitHub and leave a link in the video notes so you can download the file and do the tutorial along with me. Or you can do it at your own time and pace. So essentially what I'll do is I've got this data set. So when I start, I typically like to create a table or a matrix to see what data I want. And then I do a Control-C and Control-V, which is just a copy of the table, and I convert it into a Python visual. And the moment I convert it, so it's this one's commented out, but this visual does do that, is it creates a data set with two fields, sales amount and calendar year, which we've got on the right hand side. So it makes those available and it removes the duplicates. As you can see, it automatically imports the pandas library as well. So we'll import a few other libraries for the purpose of creating the visual. So we will import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, and we'll import C1. So this is all we need for the purpose of creating a cat plot, and then we'll just create cat plot. So we'll just call this cat plot is equal to sns.catplot, and then we need to specify x is equal to, so on the x-axis I want the calendar year, and on the y-axis I want the sales amount. And then all I need to do is specify that the data is equal to the data set that we've got. So, and now we just need to plot it. So we just say plt.show. That's it. And when I run this now, it should plot the cat plot for us. And it seems it's a bit squished, and the reason for that is that by default at a TableX level the summary is enabled. So we'll just go to the sales amount and disable that. So we'll just click on don't summarize option. And you can see that the cat plot is available to us in Power BI via the Python visual. So in this video, we've learned how to create a cat plot in Power BI using the Python visual. And we've looked at the underlying data set and created a cat plot using that. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Do let me know if you would like me to take any other specific charts or any other topics. Cheers, bye.